Hey you guys, it's Tom the Greek. I'll give you a small tutorial on Putty. First of all, download Putty. It's an easy Google. You can pick it up pretty easy. You can type in start Putty, type in a domain or an address. You can use the port supplied to you. 22 is a default. I'm going to use 2222. Everything else, make sure this is tagged SSH, okay? Hit open. I'm going to use one of my client's logins. When you type in your password here, it won't show it for security reasons, and that's the way it is. It's nothing I've done. This is your typical welcome screen for a Linux server. Just kind of gives you some information. Nothing really you need to know, but helpful if you want to look at it. If I type in screen space -R, it'll actually bring up a screen that I myself have already started. Right here is your Minecraft server. This is the console server side. Okay. You can do some commands in here. Some of the commands that you could do in game, some you can't do in game. You know, you can do world edit version. It'll tell you that. Pretty easy console to run. For some reason, if your server is stopped or locked up, you may be able to stop it using just typing stop and hit enter. Okay. It'll stop the server. Now, on your keyboard, the up arrow, if you press it, it should bring you the command line used to start the server in the first place. If you see that and you press enter, it'll actually start the server again. Sometimes servers can't be restarted. Sometimes they lock up. Certain errors make it pretty hard to restart. That may be something that may be out of your reach. Now, if you hit Control, A and D, as in Alpha and Delta, Control, Alpha, and Delta, you actually exit out of the screen. All the screen is a background process. And if you type exit, in this screen, the welcome screen, it exits Putty. Winscp is done pretty much the same way. Make sure you're using the SFTP protocol. If you do the same credentials, and hit login, it'll bring you here. This is your home directory. Plugins folder is here. This side of the Winscp, depending on your setup, should be your local files. And of course, these are the files on the server. These are all the plugins. And you could double click that and hit F5, and that file would come here. Pretty simple. Exiting out the screen will exit you out of Winscp. It's going to ask you if you want to. You're going to say OK. Hopefully that's simple enough. And let me know if it's not. I'll see you guys on the server. Bye.